How do you use long multiplication when the numbers have 3 digits? How do you multiply numbers with even more digits? It will be similar to what you learned in the last video. Let's solve 597 times 163. The smaller factor, 163, has 3 digits. So there will be 3 rows of numbers under the multiplication expression. Let's summarize what you have to do to solve this. 1. First, you multiply the 3 digit from 163 by 597. 2. Then you multiply the 6 digit in 163 by 597. 3. Then you multiply the 1 digit in 163 by 597. 4. Finally, you add the numbers in the 3 rows together to find the final answer. You write down this expression using long multiplication, with the larger factor on top and the smaller underneath. Now, start by multiplying 3 times 7, which is 21. Put 1 under the 3 and carry the 2. Next, you multiply 3 by 9, which is 27. Add the 2 you carried, and you get 29. Put the 9 in front of the 1 and carry the 2. You then multiply 3 by 5, which is 15. Add the 2 you carried, and you get 17. You write that answer in front of the 9, since there are no more digits to multiply. Now you move on to the next digit. Remember to move down 1 row and place a 0 under the 1. 6 times 7 is 42, with 2 in front of the 0, and carry the 4. 6 times 9 equals 54, plus the 4 you carried equals 58. 8 is put in front of the 2 and carry the 5. Now you multiply 6 by 5, which equals 30, and add the 5 you carried to get 35. You write 35 in front of the 8. There is another digit in 163, so you need to place 2 zeros in the next row so you can start to write in the hundreds place. This is because 1 is the hundreds digit in 163. 1 times 7 equals 7. So 7 can be placed in front of the 2 zeros. 1 times 9 equals 9, which is placed in front of the 7. 1 times 5 equals 5, which is placed in front of the 9. You find the final answer by adding the numbers in these 3 rows. Place a line under the last row and add them as usual. If you are unsure about how to add using long addition, visit the Addition Bootcamp. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 0 equals 11. Put 1 under the line and carry the 1. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 plus the 1 you carried equals 23. Put 3 under the line and carry the 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus the 2 you carried equals 17. Put 7 under the line and carry the 1. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus the 1 you carried equals 9, which you write in front of the 7. So, 597 times 163 equals 97,311. No matter how many digits your numbers have, you can always use long multiplication. You can use this method if the factors have a different number of digits as well. Just place the longest on top. The calculations might take some time, but long multiplication always works. You've now learned to multiply 3-digit numbers.